Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. Hey beauties. Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is just an update on my workout, okay, and we'll be going for a workout as well and have some breakfast, okay. So yeah, this is how far our workout has brought me, okay. Just look at the figure. I really love the outcome of my figure. I'm so happy to achieve this because I've known and realized that what I'm doing is not just a waste. Okay, it's actually working on my body and I love it, guys. I really love it. Yes, just look at it. What do you think? What do you think, guys? What do you think, guys? What do you think? Is it the truth or I'm just imagining something? This is really working. And so any workout that you find yourself doing, do not take it for granted. It's definitely going to work for you. Okay. And yeah, just imagine. I wish I have a picture that I can show you how I was looking before. My arm was like a macho lady bee. I was like, my hand is aching. I was like a macho lady bee, but now look at me. I look so flexible, sexy, and all. And I'm so happy I have achieved something out of this workout, So yeah, guys, let's just quickly go and do it. This is a quick update on my workout. Let me know in the comment section if you have seen a change on my body. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, let's just go and stretch for just 5 minutes and prepare something to eat. Okay, so yeah, catch you later. So this is my fried egg. I just added milk powder to it. So guys, I just toasted my bread. Today I'm taking only 2 slices of bread, okay. So guys, this is what I'm having for my breakfast, okay. So yeah, I'm not going to add any drink or tea to this, okay. So guys, so yeah, bon appetit. Let's have a bite. Okay. Guys, this tastes so yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It just came into my mind to just make this kind of breakfast. And yeah, I did Google about it to know the healthy benefit of it, and yeah, it's cool. So I decided to make it. Alright, so yeah, have a bite. Yummy, yummy. This is yummy breakfast is rolling. Oh my god. But guys, to be frank with you, I really love the outcome of my workout. I'm looking so sexy. I'm not looking so plumpy and plumpy. Is it plumpy or yeah? I'm not looking that plumpy anymore. Especially my arm. I just love how my arm is very freely these days. Before, this arm is very heavy one, no guys, heavy one. But I thank God this workout of mine has really worked. It's not good to eat and talk, but I have to gist you guys to encourage you out there to start working out, because working out is life. Okay, when I started this workout, especially with the stretching, the next day after I did 2 of the stretching, the next days, I think the 3rd day, I felt very weak. Like I'm sick, you know. That's what I felt for the 3rd day of my stretching. I felt very weak. I felt like I'm sick, but not sick, okay? Yeah. But when I did continue doing this, I'm feeling so free and good. When you are doing the stretches, you could hear your muscles breaking. Crack, 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 crack. Yes, this stretching is very good though. I don't know why some of you have this perception that this stretching is like sexual. I don't know, but guys, we move. All right, so let me stand here for you guys to see me well. Don't mind me, I'm just happy. Let me have some water. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I know I have made you crave for this, but don't mind me, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please do what to like, share with friends and family. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.